Now in this video, I'm going to tell you completely about the project, like the project's overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing and much more. Well, you have arrived at Property Cloud. This is a PropTech service. And today's virtual tour is about Lodha's brand new project called Panache, which is going to be located in Hinjewadi Phase 1. So let's first of all start with the overview of the project. The project is going to be located in a complete land parcel of approximately 8.3 acres, and there are going to be 6 towers which will have ground plus 32 floors of premium apartments. Now the best part about these towers is going to be that every floor will have a separate servants room and a servants quarter kind of a thing, like a restroom for the servants on every floor. Along with that, there are going to be 3 passenger lifts and 1 service lift, that is 4 lifts on every floor for the 4 apartments that would be there. So approximately it becomes like a personal lift for every household. Well, other than this, there are a lot more details, let me tell you. Well, as I told you that the project is located in Hinjewadi Phase 1. So this is going to be pretty close to the Blue Ridge Public School, which is in Hinjewadi. From here, the upcoming metro station is just about 1.5 kilometers and the Mumbai-Bangalore highway is just about 20 minutes drive. Well, isn't all of this amazing? Well, what is more amazing is the carpet area and the pricing. The 2 BHK start from 834 square feet, goes up to 908 square feet, and the starting price is 1.15 crore onwards. The 3 BHK starts from 1121 square feet and goes up to 1133 square feet, and the pricing begins from 1.57 crore onward. The 4 BHK starts from 1679, goes up to 1744 square feet, and the pricing begins from 2.42 crore onwards. They also have a Jodi apartment option in the 4 BHKs, which is going to be the 2 BHK plus 2 BHK. The 5.5 BHK option also comes in the 3 plus 3 Jodi option, and the square feet wise area for this one goes to 2,249 square feet is the starting area of the 5.5 Jodi apartment. And the best part is that the pricing for the 5.5 BHK apartment is going to start just from 3.3 crore onwards. Now let me tell you about the amenities. As I told you that the project is going to be located in a total 8.3 acre premises, and there are going to be only 6 towers. So that leaves a lot of space for open amenities and also covered amenities. So there are going to be clubhouses and gymnasiums in the indoor, and other than that, the outdoor amenities will have a swimming pool, jogging track, kids play area and so many more. अब इतना सब जानने के बाद, I'm sure you are very interested in knowing the booking process. Now that you know everything about this particular place, I'm sure you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है exactly. उससे पहले let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Well, as I told you earlier that this is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम करवाते हैं आपके लिए virtual site tours. उसी के साथ साथ Property Cloud connects you directly with the developer, thereby not only giving you the bottommost price but also a completely zero brokerage policy because there are no middlemen involved. Along with that, we also help you with doing physical site visits, and that too with an absolutely free pickup and drop service. So basically आपको करना ये है कि आप देखिए यहाँ पर आपके favorite projects, उसमें से आप कीजिए कुछ projects shortlist, जिसके basis पर हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे to go and see those projects in a cab, that too absolutely free pickup and drop service. After that, once you have finalized the property and you want to go ahead with the booking, all you need to do is just contact our salesperson once again, and then we will give you the best prices in the market, the best spot payment options and the best discounts that you can ever get. Now इस सब के लिए आपको क्या करना है exactly बता रही हूँ. नीचे captions में दिया हुआ है एक link जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिसके basis पे you will get in touch with us and we will guide you into buying your dream project with amazing ease and also hassle-free, brokerage-free. Well, along with that, well, it's not just that we are present only in Pune. Property Cloud is present across the globe and also in multiple cities in India also. तो पहले तो ग्लोब की बात कर ले. We are present in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and many other countries. And India में तो we are present in all top-notch cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Kolkata and so many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ करना है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक, और उसी के साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, ताकि मेरे यानी एकता कपूर के साथ आप देख सकें आपके ड्रीम होम्स राइट एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर हाउस. थैंक यू.